Yo, what's up mga treasure? We are here in Festival Malabang and kukunin natin yung auction item that we won and we will give that item to my cousin Jumbotron. So, nandito tayo sa Big Boys para kunin yan. Pasok tayo sa loob. We are now here in the store. We're just waiting for ate to get the item that we won from that auction. Konting tingin-tingin lang kasi nagtitipid tayo and hindi tayo masyado magtatagal gawa ng nag-aaya na rin si Rose magkape. And at the same time, kailangan na rin nating makauwi agad. But overall, nung nakuha ko yung item, so this is what we have won from that auction. So ibibigay natin to kay Jim, isang Funko keychain. So we will be checking it later on pagka-uwi after namin mag-coffee para mas maganda yung kuha natin dito sa Funko keychain. So ayan si Rose, very serious siyang magkape. Pero ayan, nakuha natin to sa napaka-affordable price compared to original price. And eto na. So ayan yung nakuha natin dun sa auction. It's a Fortnite Funko keychain. Medyo may damage na yung box pero si Jim naman yung gagamit. And I think bubuksan niya to gawa nung gagamitin niya yung keychain. But since your kuya is a collector, of course, your gift will be a collectible. So I hope you like it, Jumbotron. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you guys later. See ya.